Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrencies chart, the render chart. Cryptos are going up at the moment. There is a lot of volatility. So I think it's time for an update. Let's go. Okay, we are now on our website dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register completely for free. To make sure that you follow the link in the video description and you get access to all of these updates for free. We'll click on the cryptocurrencies section today, and here we can select render. You see that we also regularly update other cryptocurrencies, including Polkadot, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, but it's render day today. So let's take a look at it. By the way, you also get a written update and probabilities and everything included. In previous updates, we talked about the potential that this here is a wave 2 correction that's currently unfolding. The price, let's say, was supposed to reach this magenta support area, a trading area in this wave 2. The move to the upside starts to look like a 5-wave move up, in my opinion. So if the market now starts to gain in upside momentum and break above the $6.08 level specifically, then it will become less probable that we get another low. So in this area here, a low is expected. When trading these, I personally wouldn't normally try to time the absolute low, the absolute bottom, because it is difficult. Sometimes these altcoin charts, they depend a little bit on Bitcoin as well. Other factors, what the stock market is doing. We have to take every chart on its own, of course. That's what we do. But still, sometimes when there is maybe that one more low that should happen, but Bitcoin is already rising, then it is often the case that the cryptos might not have that bearish momentum to form that last low. So therefore we're working with zones in Elliott Wave. Key Fibonacci zones, and the trading area, or let's call it support area, I shared with you in previous updates. It is located between $1.81 and $5.43. And the thesis is that from here, a rally to the upside could unfold in potentially a third wave rally that should in the first instance take the price to $6.08 and beyond. And then when that happens, that would be our first formal confirmation that actually this third wave rally to the upside has indeed started, which then should take the price in the in the next rally above $11.82. $11.82 is the next key barrier and resistance level. It's the previous X wave high, and this magenta wave X high is a key level because technically speaking, we could say that this Y wave that the price worked on might still be working on, actually, because we haven't broken above $6.08. But again, that might change next week. This X wave, this Y wave could technically extend, right? It might be that this Y wave forms a much larger ABC structure. So it really takes that break above $11.82 to confirm from an analysis point of view that we are indeed rallying higher. However, obviously, the market will already have more than doubled when it gets there, so it can make sense to work with these zones and to accumulate when the price is in an area where, with a higher probability, a reversal to the upside is expected. We are currently in such an area. We start to see some upside momentum, but the risk is still there that when Bitcoin, for example, starts a correction, which should happen very soon, after that rally that we've seen, like a 4-week rally now, right? Then the risk is that render might form another marginally lower low, but it might only take the price to maybe $1.81 before we recover. It's just that, looking at the chart like that risk at the moment is still quite high. But overall, it wouldn't change the bigger picture, because the overall idea is that this is a wave 2 correction. What must not happen in this scenario is a break below 43 cents. That would indeed be the invalidation point. And ideally, we even hold above the $1.81 level, which is that 88.7 retracement. Normally, we don't want a wave 2 to break below that level. So it's looking good for render. We start to see some upside momentum. That's exactly what we want to see in these areas of support. So let's see if the bulls can generate enough momentum to drive the price higher. So yeah, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on the website. You can do it completely for free. And also make sure to let me know in the comments which are the cryptocurrencies or stocks charts you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.